Defining your unique identity. Defining your unique identity is a critical step in establishing yourself within the entertainment industry. In a landscape teeming with talent, having a clear and distinctive identity not only sets you apart, but also serves as the foundation for your branding and marketing efforts. Whether you are a musician, filmmaker, influencer, or content creator, understanding who you are and what you stand for will guide your creative choices and inform your interactions with your audience. This chapter will explore practical strategies to help you articulate your unique identity, ensuring that it resonates across various platforms and mediums. To begin, self-reflection is key in uncovering your unique identity. Take the time to analyze your influences, personal experiences, and artistic aspirations. What themes recur in your work? What passions drive your creativity? By answering these questions, you will begin to form a clearer picture of your core values and artistic vision. This introspective process not only helps you identify what makes you unique, but also provides a narrative that can be communicated to your audience. This narrative becomes the backbone of your branding, allowing you to share your story authentically and connect with your followers on a deeper level. Once you have a solid understanding of your identity, it's essential to translate that into a cohesive brand. This involves creating a visual and verbal language that reflects your unique traits. Consider your logo, color palette, and typography, as these elements contribute to your overall aesthetic. Additionally, your messaging should consistently convey your values and artistic vision. Whether through social media posts, interviews, or promotional materials, maintaining a consistent brand voice reinforces your identity and enhances audience recognition. This cohesiveness is particularly important when you engage with various marketing strategies, such as influencer partnerships or event promotions, as it ensures that your identity remains clear and compelling across different platforms. Audience engagement is another crucial aspect of defining your unique identity. Understanding your target demographic and how they relate to your work will help you tailor your communication and interactions. Utilize analytics tools to gather insights about your audience's preferences and behaviors. Craft content that resonates with them, whether through behind-the-scenes glimpses, personal anecdotes, or interactive opportunities such as Q&A sessions. Engaging your audience not only reinforces your identity, but also fosters a community around your work, encouraging loyalty and support that can be invaluable in the competitive entertainment landscape. Finally, remember that your unique identity is not static. It can evolve as you grow as an artist and as the industry changes. Stay attuned to shifts in your creative journey and the broader cultural context. Adaptability is essential for maintaining relevance, but ensure that any changes still align with the core values and vision that define you. Periodically reassessing your identity will not only help you stay authentic, but also keep your audience engaged and invested in your evolution. By grounding your identity in both self-awareness and adaptability, you will be well-equipped to navigate the complexities of the entertainment industry without relying solely on representation. Order your copy of DIY Fame, Navigating the Entertainment Industry, Without a Publicist by Ebony Caldwell. On Amazon, Barnes & Nobles, on all major websites where books are sold, or www.diywfame.com.